From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to level up your home decor with the most epic clock ever? Introducing the JoFomp Nixie Tube Clock Kit, a game-changing timepiece that's taking the world by storm. This top-rated bestseller is a must-have for anyone who wants to add a touch of nostalgia and futuristic flair to their space. With its mesmerizing glow and soft humming noise, this clock is sure to be the centerpiece of any room. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's easy to see why it's so well reviewed. The unique combination of old-school charm and modern technology is absolutely irresistible. The first thing you'll notice about the JoFomp Nixie Tube Clock Kit is its stunning visual appeal. The soft blue glow of the Nixie tubes is like nothing you've ever seen before. It's like having a miniature piece of science fiction on your desk. The texture of the clock's metal body is sleek and premium, giving it a solid feel that's both durable and luxurious. When you touch the clock's smooth surface, you'll be impressed by its weight and sturdiness. It's clear that this is a high-quality product that's built to last. In real-life use, the JoFomp Nixie Tube Clock Kit is a total showstopper. Whether you're using it as a desk clock or a shelf clock, it's sure to spark conversations and impress your friends. Unlike other clocks on the market, this one has a unique personality that sets it apart from the crowd. It's not just a time-telling device, it's a work of art. The sound of the clock's gentle ticking is soothing and calming, creating a sense of tranquility that's perfect for any room. With the JoFomp Nixie Tube Clock Kit, you'll never have to worry about boring decor again. It's the perfect addition to any home or office. So why wait? Get your hands on this amazing as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.